Career Paths in Business Analytics for University Students. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: career paths in business analytics for university students. If you're passionate about data and looking to make a mark in the business world, this video is for you. Business analytics is a rapidly growing field that combines data analysis, statistics, and business intelligence to drive strategic decision-making. With the explosion of data in every industry, the demand for skilled professionals is higher than ever. First, data analysts play a crucial role in interpreting data to provide actionable insights. They clean and organize data, use statistical methods to identify trends, and help businesses make data-driven decisions. If you love working with numbers and have a keen eye for detail, this might be the perfect role for you. Second, business intelligence analyst (BI) analysts focus on leveraging data to inform strategic business decisions. They create dashboards, generate reports, and provide insights on business performance. It's a role that requires strong analytical skills and the ability to communicate findings effectively. Third, data scientists use advanced analytics, machine learning, and statistical techniques to solve complex business problems. They build predictive models, develop algorithms, and analyze large datasets to uncover hidden patterns and trends. If you're interested in the technical side of analytics, this is the career for you. Fourth, data engineers design, build, and maintain the infrastructure needed to collect, store, and process large datasets. They ensure that data is accessible, reliable, and available for analysis by other data professionals. This role is perfect for those who enjoy working with big data technologies and ensuring data quality. Fifth, quantitative analyst, or quant. Quants use mathematical models and statistical techniques to analyze financial markets and investment strategies. They often work in finance, developing algorithms for trading and risk management. If you have a strong background in math and finance, this could be your calling. Sixth, operations analysts focus on improving business processes and operational efficiency. They use data analysis to identify bottlenecks, optimize workflows, and enhance productivity within organizations. This role is ideal for those who enjoy problem solving and process improvement. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit outsiteassignmentworld.com.